Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Recoverfun mini massage gun. You can get this product on Amazon for about $79. Check out the link in the description. The massage gun comes with a carrying bag, 4 massage heads, a charging cable and a user manual. The mini massage gun is small and lightweight, about the size of a smartphone. First, I fully charge the battery. Charging time is about 1.5 hours and the battery life is about 5 hours. Operating the massage gun is very easy. You just have to press the multifunction button for about 2 seconds to turn on the device. Short press the multifunction button to adjust the speed. The speed indicator light shows the corresponding speed. To turn off the massage gun, you just have to press the multifunction button again for about 2 seconds. Changing the different massage heads is very easy. Percussion therapy boosts muscle function and recovery by penetrating deep into the muscle tissue with a series of rapid, concentrated pulsating strokes. It is known to maximize pain relief, enhance performance, and accelerate muscle recovery. I tested the mini massage gun for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very good product. It's small and portable, easy to use, and it's great for my body. So if you are looking for a not too expensive but good quality travel-sized massage gun with 4 different speeds and a decent battery life, I would recommend the Recoverfun mini massage gun. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.